What's your URL? Finding a file path on the web, another in the That Web We Weave video series. Greetings Webbies. In our last video, we uploaded from our local root folder to our remote folder. So now we are going to talk about finding our file paths on the web, or finding our URL. You don't want to get confused because in Dreamweaver you have the capability to preview files. And so if you preview a file, it looks like you're viewing it on the web, when in reality, this is a local server preview, just a simulation. So if you copy this address to submit, what you'd be submitting is a link to a specific file on your computer. And of course, that won't work. If you have not typed something into the address bar, that's not the correct address. What I need to do is type in to my address bar in my browser of choice the path to the file on the server. So first of all, we're going to start with the protocol, or the rules that we're going to use, which in this case is HTTP, or Hypertext Transfer Protocol, followed by colon, followed by // In this particular case, we're connecting to the wcet3.waketech.edu server. The next thing we're going to do is identify whose server space we're going to. You would type in the same username that you use in Dreamweaver. Okay, so that's directing the path to your specific server space. Now, we've got to direct it inside your Web 140 root folder on the server. With the exception of the fact that it's going to be your name instead of mine, this part of the file path is always going to be the same. What is going to be different is the rest of the path. For this example, we want the URL to point to the first .html page that is located inside the intro folder. All of this is very case sensitive. First thing to check, if you get an error, is that you have exactly the correct path. I can't reiterate enough that it's all case sensitive. Make sure you haven't left any part of the path out, and then after you have your path typed in, we'll click enter, and there we'll see our page. Now, to avoid any chance of typos, I'm going to copy the URL from the address bar. How to submit a clickable link is another video that's available. This concludes finding file paths on the web. I hope it's been helpful. Thank you, and have a great day.